we have already learnt that the sum of either pair of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degrees. Now, will the converse be true also? That is, if I say that if the sum of a pair of opposite angles of a quadrilateral is 180 degrees, the quadrilateral is cyclic. Well, this is also a very important theorem, that is converse of the previous theorem. That is, if opposite angles of a quadrilateral add up to 180 degrees, then the quadrilateral is cyclic. That is, all the four vertices will lie on a circle. How do we prove that? Well, we have a quadrilateral ABCD, it is given, and we have angle ABC plus angle ADC is equal to 180 degrees. Now, we need to prove that ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Now, first of all, we need to assume some things and we need to perform construction accordingly. So, we assume that ABCD is not cyclic. That is, ABCD is not a cyclic quadrilateral. Let a circle passing through the three non-collinear points A, B and C meet CD at E, so that ABCE is a cyclic quadrilateral. So, we have a circle which passes through three non-collinear points A, B and C, and it meets CD at E. So, A, B, C and E are concyclic points. Now, we join the points A and E. So, now we have a new quadrilateral which is ABCE. So, if we go ahead and see what is available to us. So, we have angle ABC plus angle ADC equal to 180 degrees. It is given. So, this angle and this angle both add up to 180 degrees. Now, angle ABC plus angle AEC is equal to 180 degrees again, because ABCE is a cyclic quadrilateral. So, we have this particular information here. Now, from these two equations, we can say that angle ABC plus angle ADC is equal to angle ABC plus angle AEC, because both the sides we have 180 degrees. Now, from this again, angle ABC is common in both the sides. So, we can say that angle ADC is equal to angle AEC. Now, is it possible? Well, if you look closely, you have AED, which is a triangle, and angle AEC is an external angle of this particular triangle, and angle ADE is the interior opposite angle of this particular angle. Now, we know that exterior angle and internal opposite angles can never be same or can never be of equal value. So this particular assumption here, that is angle ADC is equal to angle AEC, is incorrect. Angle ADC is not equal to angle AEC, because exterior angle of a triangle is never equal to opposite interior angle. So definitely our assumption is wrong. It is possible only if points D and E coincide. So this particular condition can only be possible if points D and E coincide. That is, D lies exactly where E lies. So ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So this particular condition can only be satisfied if ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So opposite angles of a quadrilateral will add up to 180 degrees only if it is a cyclic quadrilateral. And that's how we prove this. Now, using the same theorem, we can actually solve this particular problem. Now, what is the problem? The problem states that PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. So, we have this particular quadrilateral which is a cyclic quadrilateral. Also, angle S plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 250 degrees. So, if we add these three angles, that is angle S, angle Q and angle R, we get 250 degrees. Now, we need to find angle R. So, how do we do that? Well, first of all, angle S plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 250 degrees. It is given to us. Now, angle S plus angle Q is equal to 180 degrees. Why do I say so? Because PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. And in the case of a cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles add up to 180 degrees. So, angle S and angle Q are opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. So, their sum will be 180 degrees plus angle R is equal to 250 degrees. So, 180 degrees comes on this side. So, we have 250 degrees minus 180 degrees, which is 70 degrees. So, the value of angle R is 70 degrees. And we were able to find this using the theorem of cyclic quadrilaterals. That is, if a quadrilateral is cyclic, then the opposite angles will add up to 180 degrees. Or if you are given that opposite angles of a quadrilateral add up to 180 degrees, then that particular quadrilateral is a cyclic quadrilateral. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.